truly owns the moon? As the celestial body shines down upon us, this question has sparked the fuse for World War III. The chronicles of this lunar dispute trace back to the early years of the 21st century. The world powers, entranced by the moon's untapped potential, began to lay claim to their stakes. The first signs of tension emerged when the United States, in 2024, announced its plans for a lunar base, asserting its dominance in space exploration. This move was met with resistance from Russia and China, both of whom had harbored their own lunar aspirations. By 2025, the three nations were locked in a diplomatic tug-of-war, each arguing their lunar rights while subtly flexing their military muscles. As the dispute escalated, the United Nations attempted to mediate, proposing a treaty that designated the moon as a shared resource. However, national pride and the allure of lunar resources proved too potent, and the treaty was rejected. The tension reached its peak in 2028 when a lunar probe launched by an undisclosed nation mysteriously crashed into the American lunar base. This incident was the spark that ignited the fuse of World War III. Now, as we look back at the events that led us here, we find a tale of ambition, national pride, and a disregard for diplomacy. The moon, an object of wonder and scientific intrigue, has become the epicenter of a global conflict. In summary, the lunar ownership dispute began with the United States' announcement of its lunar base in 2024. This incited opposition from Russia and China, leading to a diplomatic deadlock. The United Nations' attempt to mediate with a treaty was unsuccessful, and the crash of an unidentified lunar probe into the American base marked the start of World War III. This tale serves as a stark reminder of how our ambitions, when unchecked, can lead us down a path of destruction. As we gaze upon the moon tonight, let it not be a symbol of conflict, but a beacon of hope, illuminating the need for unity and peaceful coexistence in our increasingly interconnected world.